you guys are doing well. मैं get ready with me तो बना नहीं सकी because time ही नहीं मिला, because I got ready in the office and then I left for the party. But I have a lot of makeup right now that I did at my salon, and it's time कि मैं अभी makeup उतारूँ पूरा. And today we are going to use this. So as you can see, it's a, I don't know how to spell it, but it's a L'Oreal Paris purifying micellar water. It's oil free, it also cleans the pores, and it takes off all the makeup. So let's try it. For now I've took this wipe. The wipe is dried almost. I'm just taking few drops of micellar water and I'll be just wiping off. कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया, but that's the makeup. Literally that's the makeup that I have on my face. I guess ये wet wipe कम पड़ेगा मेरे को. ये makeup उतारने के लिए I'll have to get more wet wipes. I'll just get more. It feels so good, so hydrated. It took away all the dirt and all the makeup. पूरा makeup उतार दिया उसने, पूरा dirt भी खींच लिया मेरे face से. It feels just so good. I would say that this micellar water is must buy. I would really suggest that you go for this micellar water because it is just